LB White's Premier heaters are used in portable and event tent applications and are certified by CSA and Omni to ANSI standards. Their part numbers either begin with a CS for the construction market or a TS for the tent market. The CS units are usually dual fuel, and the TS units are usually only LP or NG. The Premiers are ductable and or diffusible and range in sizes of 40,000 BTUs all the way up to 700,000 BTUs. All heaters in the Premier family have a popular enclosed flame design and a tri-shield coated case. They are safe, quiet, easy to operate, heavy duty, and are equipped with diagnostic LED lights to help troubleshoot any issues that may arise while operating the heaters. Additionally, Premiers have an air circulation mode that can move air even when heat is not necessary. The Premier 40 is our smallest Premier heater, operating at 40,000 BTUs per hour with 330 CFM and weighing less than 55 pounds. With its easy grip handle, the Premier 40 is super easy to move around the job site or event space. It is LP gas only and can run on a single 20-pound propane tank. It ships with a remote thermostat, hose, and regulator already included. The Premier 80 operates at 80,000 BTUs per hour with 4,500 CFM and comes in an LP model and a dual fuel model that switches fuel easily with a simple valve turn. Its two handles allow for easy transport around the job site or event space. Premier 80s ship with a remote thermostat, hose, and regulator already included. The Premier 170 operates at 170,000 BTUs per hour with 1,200 CFM and comes in LP or dual fuel models that switch fuels easily with a simple valve turn. 170s are easy to transport around any job site or event space with their wheel barrel handles and cotter pin locking wheels. Premier 170s ship with a remote thermostat, hose, and regulator already included. The Premier 350 operates at 350,000 BTUs per hour with 2,500 CFM. It is a dual fuel model that switches fuels easily with a simple valve turn and has one personal portability with handles and wheels. It also has an operator control panel with a voltmeter that monitors incoming volts and an hour meter that clocks actual runtime in heat mode only. Premier 350s ship with a remote thermostat, hose, and regulator already included. And lastly, this heater also has the option to utilize the LB White Link telematics that gives the user critical alerts, runtime, location, and more at their fingertips. The Premier 700 operates with the flexibility of 700,000 down to 350,000 BTUs per hour range and 5,000 CFM. It is a dual fuel model, allowing the user to quickly switch between NG to LP, and has the option for two thermostats that provide independent zoning capabilities while only using one control panel for easier use. That operator control panel has a voltmeter that monitors incoming volts and 2 hour meters that clock actual runtime in heat mode only. The Premier 700 gives users the ability to use one heater and duct to two different locations. In other words, it provides them with the convenience of heating two places at once, and they only need to run one gas line. Users can also choose to run at only 350,000 without modulation, saving fuel. This model has optional thermostats, regulators, and hoses, as well as a mobility kit for easier movement around the job site.